Hello my Flowly friends. As we're about to embark on a new year, I thought I would bring you a new 7-day yoga series. This beginner-friendly series is designed for anyone wanting to get back into gentle exercise. Anyone that has arthritis or other musculoskeletal challenges, or anyone that needs more accessible exercise routine. And we're going to do it, of course, all from a seated position, so on your chair, on the side of your bed, wherever works for you. So starting on the 2nd of January for 7 days, you will get gentle joint friendly class that helps you move safely, reduces stiffness and helps build your confidence in getting moving again. No pressure, no judgment, just supportive movement to start the new year with a little bit more ease. So if you're wanting to join this series, be sure to subscribe to the Yoga Flowly YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you know as soon as a new video goes live. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you January 2nd. Bye.